Hi, today I'm going to teach you how to make myself my morning coffee. I call it a Beccacino. First, you lay out everything that you need. Fill your cup most of the way up with water. Pour that into the back. Put some coffee in there. Now I learned this part from my godmother. You set this all up, and then all you have to do the next morning is push this button. But right now, we're pretending. So pretend like it's the next morning with me. And we're pushing this button. So we're back to pretending like it's the night beforehand. Set out your favorite cup. A sip of each. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. You can use any creamer, but right now I have creme brulee. And then just a little bit of this. Right now, my protein powder is cookies and cream flavored. But I keep it in this bowl because it's smaller. We don't take any exact measurements. We just measure on vibes. Now, if it was the school year and I was waking up in the morning, I put this in the refrigerator, keep it there overnight. So all I have to do is push that button in the morning, like I showed you earlier. But we are pretending. So we're getting there. That's heating up. When that's done, I will show you what to do next. Now pretend with me. It is the next morning. It is super early. You're thinking about killing everybody in the world because it's early and you're grumpy. All you did was push the button to that coffee and set out your favorite cup. Pour it in there. Get yourself a butter knife. I use a butter knife because it's the only thing that I have that's long enough. Stir, stir, stir. And that is your Beccacino, all ready to go. Cheers! Thank you for watching.